Nice thing about this, you've got this poker thing that you can poke the ones that have the seal in there. The only thing I don't like about it is that as you're holding this gun, you're going to get that stuff all over you. Like I just did. Pull that back. Load your caulking. Shove it to close. And then, as I said yesterday, to keep it from turning, just put a piece of crepe across the top. That way it'll stay straight. Now we're going to lay down slow bead and then a fast bead. Oh, and by the way, it does have a lock on there, so when you actually pick it up, you don't squeeze the thing, and in case you got it on fast speed, you can turn it off or turn it on, especially if kids are around. Alright, here we go. This is about as slow as it'll go. Alright. That's on slow. Now let's speed it up all the way in case you're in a hurry. Of course, that's going to use a lot of caulking really quick. There you have it. Like I said, it's a little heavy, but it's well worth it because you can always set it down because you're going to be so much ahead from just the manual gun that you've got. Loading, it's real easy. You just pull that back, take your tape off, take that out, put you another one in, slide that up, put your tape on there, and you're ready to go.